Hello everyone. Welcome to Top Tech Tips. In this video, I am going to show you other methods to fix MacBook cannot connect to Wi-Fi. Click on the Apple icon, then System Preferences, then Network. Click on drop-down list Add Location, then click on Edit Location. Click on plus sign to add another location. You can put any name you prefer. Then, click Done. Click on drop-down list again. Select the location you just created. Select your network name. Then, click on Advanced button. Click on TCP/IP tab. Then, click on Renew DHCP lease button. And wait until it shows your computer IP. Try to reconnect. Make sure you uncheck all the proxy settings. Click on the Apple icon, then System Preferences, then Network. On the left column, select Wi-Fi tab, then select your network. Then, click on Advanced button. Click on Proxies tab. Uncheck all the proxy settings. Click Save, and try to reconnect. Right-click on Finder app, then click on Go to Folder. Type this link, /library preferences system configuration / then click Go button. Copy all content to a new folder on desktop for backup. Now you can delete all. You need input your password to delete files. Restart your Mac and try to reconnect to Wi-Fi. If you have tried all the methods, but your Mac still can't connect to Wi-Fi, the last method is to shut down your Mac. Then, press the power on button, and while it is turning on, hold down these 4 keys at the same time, Option, Command, P, and R for about 20 seconds. Then, your Mac will need to restart. Then, it should work. That's it for now. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.